Now let us do exercise 3.4, the second question. The question is, form the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solution by elimination method. Here first we have got, what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find the fraction. So first let us write, let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Therefore, the fraction will become x by y. Now let's read the question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that is, we add 1 to x and subtract 1 from y, then the fraction reduces. That means the fraction becomes equal to 1. Next step is to cross multiply. We'll get here x plus 1 equal to y minus 1. This will give us x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is your first equation. Now second equation, how do we form? Let's read the question. It means the fraction becomes half if we add only 1 to the denominator. That is, we have got here, this is the fraction x by y. We add 1 to the denominator only. What the fraction will become? It will become 1 by 2. Cross multiply, you will get here 2x equal to y plus 1. This will give us 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is your second equation. Now both the equations we will solve it by elimination method. The first equation was x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here it is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Here we see coefficient of y is same, even the sign is same. That means we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Minus, plus and a minus. This will give us minus x. Here y, this term will get cancelled. Here you will get minus 3. That means x is equal to 3. Now we will find what is y equal to. Substitute x equal to 3 in equation 1. What's equation 1 here? It is x minus y, x equal to 3. So we'll write 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. We'll get here minus y is equal to minus 5. That is y is equal to 5. Therefore, the fraction is, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. The second question, we have to find what is Nuri and Sonu's age. So first let us write, let Nuri's present age be x years. And Sonu's present age be y years. Let's read the question. 5 years ago, Nuri's age was her present age is x. 5 years ago her age was x minus 5. You've got here Sonu's age. Her present age is y years. So 5 years ago her age was y minus 5 years. Okay, let us read the question. 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. You open the bracket, we get here x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. This will give us x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is your first equation. It is given 10 years later. Nuri's age will be present age is x. After 10 years, her age will be x plus 10 years. Sonu's age will be y plus 10 years. Now let us read the question. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So here we get x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. X minus 2y is equal to 10. This is our second equation. Okay, now we have to solve both the equations and we'll be doing it by elimination method. Here we have got the first equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. Here you can see coefficient of x is equal. Both the sign is plus, therefore we have to subtract the equation, that is equation 1 minus equation 2. So become minus, plus and a minus. The x terms are eliminated. Here you will get minus y is equal to minus 20. Therefore y is equal to 20. Now you substitute y is equal to 20 any one of the equations. What we get, let us take substitute. Y is equal to 20 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y, that is 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. This gives us x minus 60 is equal to minus 10. Therefore x equal to 50. What's the last statement we will write? Therefore, Nuri's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is 20 years. The fourth question, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Now they have asked us to find out how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100. So first let's write, let the number of rupees 50 notes be x and the number of rupees 100 notes be y. How many 50 rupee note Meena has got? She has got x. And how many 100 rupee notes she has got? Y. Totally, what is the number of notes she has got? She has got 25 notes in all. That means x plus y, that is the total number of notes she has, is equal to 25. This is our first equation. Now next, if we have rupees 50 note, if we have only one note, what is the amount that we have got? We have got rupees 50. If we have got two notes of rupees 50, what is the amount which we get? We get 50 into 2, that is rupees 100. What is the operation we are using here? Multiplication. Suppose 50 rupee note we have got 100 notes, it becomes 50 into 100. This much amount we will be having. How many 50 rupee note we have got? X. That means the amount will be 50 into x, 50x. How many 100 rupee note is there here? Y. So the amount will be 100 into y, that will be 100y. This is the total amount Meena has. But what is given in the question? How much amount she withdrawn? 2000. So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now here we can simplify this equation. We can see 50 is common. We get a 50 x plus 2y is equal to 2000. That is x plus 2y is equal to 40. This is your second equation. Now we have to solve both the equations by elimination method. The first equation here is x plus y is equal to 25. Second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 40. As we can see, coefficient of x is same and the signs are same. Therefore, we have to do subtraction. That is equation 1 minus equation 2. Here x minus x, this will get cancelled. Here you will get here minus y is equal to minus 15. Y is equal to 50. Now substitute. Y is equal to 15. We can substitute in either equation 1 or 2. Here I will be substituting it in equation 1. What's equation 1 given? X plus y. That means x plus 15 is equal to 25. X equal to 10. Therefore, the last statement will be the number of ₹50 notes is 10 and number of ₹100 notes is 50. Let us do question number 3. In this you can see 2-digit number they are given and we have to find the number. So let us start by writing, let the digit in tens place be x and the digit in units place by. Okay, now before we read the question, let us understand how to form the number. Now suppose we are given, let this be the tens place and let this be the units place. In tens place the digit is given as 5 and in the unit place the digit is given as 4. What will be the number equal to? Number will be equal to 54. Let us take one more example. Suppose the digit in tens place is 7 and the digit in the units place is 2. The number becomes 72. But here what have we taken? The digit in the tens place is x and the digit in the units place is y. Is the number equal to xy? No, because in mathematics xy means x multiplied by y. So this is wrong. So now what do? We write the number in the expanded form. That is 54 can be written as 50 plus 4. That is 10 into 5 plus 4. The digit in the tens place is multiplied by 10. So in the first case it becomes 10 into 5 plus 4. What's the digit in the tens place in the second example? It is 7. So it will be 10 into 7 plus 2. This is 70 plus 2, that gives us 72. Now coming to our question, it is x is the digit in the tens place. So we have to multiply x by 10. That will give us 10x plus y. This is our number. Let me explain it further. Suppose we have got here hundreds place, tens place and units place. We take the digit in the hundreds place x, tens place y and in units place z. Now what will be the number here? In the expanded form, we multiply, since x is the digit in the hundreds place multiplied by 100, we will get here 100x plus y is the digit in the tens place multiplied by 10 plus z. This is the 3-digit number. Now let's do the given sum. What is given? The sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is 9. Now what is the sum of digit here? It is x plus y is equal to 9. That's our first equation. Next, also 9 times the number. So let us write here. Number is equal to what we had got the number as 10x plus y. And they are given here number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So number obtained by reversing the digits. What's the meaning of this? Suppose if we have got 54, the number obtained by reversing the digit, it becomes 45. That means here, now in tens place the digit will be y and in unit place the digit will be x. Therefore the number will be 10y plus x. Now let's read the question. Also 9 times this number, that is 9 times the number, given number, is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. That means 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. Let's open the bracket. We get here 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. This will give us 88x is equal to 11y. What is common here? 11 is common. So we can simplify the equation as 8x is equal to y. We get this as 8x minus y equal to 0. This becomes a second equation. Now let us solve it by elimination method. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 9. Second is 8x minus y is equal to 0. Now here you see coefficient of y is same, and since the sign is different, one is positive and negative, here we have to add, that is equation 1 plus equation 2. Here we get 9x, y is eliminated, equal to 9, x equal to 1. Now substitute x equal to 1 in equation. Equation 2 is easier to substitute, so we will substitute x equal to 1 in equation 2. We get here, that is 8x minus y is equal to 0. That is 8 into 1 minus y equal to 0. We get y is equal to 8. Therefore, the required number is what is the digit in the tens place? It is 1, and the digit in the units place is 8. Therefore, the number is 18. Number 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. So first let us write, let the fixed charge for how many days? For the first 3 days be rupees x, and the charge for each extra day be rupees y. Okay, Sarita keeps the book for how many days? She keeps the book for 7 days. That means for the first 3 days she has to pay rupees x. How many days are left now? 7 minus 3, 4 days are left. For this 4 days, for each extra day she has to give rupees y. Each extra day she has to pay the library rupees y. How many extra days are here? 4 days. How much she has to pay? 4 into y. So it will come here plus 4y. What's the total amount she paid? 27. This is equal to 27. Now Susi kept the book for how many days? 5 days. For first 3 days, what's the amount she has to pay? She has to pay x. Remaining how many days are there? 2 days. She kept it for 2 extra days. For 1 extra day, she pays rupees y. So for 2 extra days, she has to pay 2y. So total amount that she has to pay is x plus 2y, which is equal to 21. This is our second equation. Now here we'll solve it by elimination method. We see the coefficient of x both are equal, but the signs are also equal, so we have to subtract. X gets eliminated. Here we get 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. Now we'll find what is x equal to. Substitute. Y is equal to 3 in equation 1. What do you get here? It is x plus 4y, that means 4 into 3 is equal to 27. That will come x plus 12 is equal to 27, x equal to 50. So the last statement here will be, the fixed charge is rupees 15. Fixed charge is rupees 15 and charge for each extra day